Yo, what's up guys? We are back with another video, and in this one we got some goodies. Some new headlights for the Miata. So let's get right to installing them. Okay, so first thing to do is you gotta take off these plastic covers on both sides of the headlight. So you take off this black plastic cover and then this metal cover, and then that'll expose the actual headlight itself, in which I will show you that. Okay, so the plastic is out, and now plastic's out, and now next is just the metal cover, which is 1, 2, and then same thing on the other side, 3, 4. Okay, so once that is off right there, then there are 3 more screws. One there, I don't know if you can see that one there. So one here, and then one at the bottom, all Phillips. So that's out. Old one's out. New one, I'm just gonna mock it up really quick and see if everything's working. So yeah, it just all lines up, and then even the connectors back here should be the exact same as well. So I'm just gonna put one screw in just really quick to hold it in and make sure that everything is working. If you can see right here, there's that plug that'll go right into here. Should be a direct connection. Oops. And then these 2 other ones, one's for a signal, one's for a daytime running light, which is this. Okay, so got that plugged in real quick, and let's see if it works. So that's low beam right there, and then so it's the 3 on top that are low beam, and then I'll show you high beam. And then high beam is just with the bottom one as well. So that's 3 top ones are high or low beam, bottom one's high beam, and then the 2 at the back, the 2 extra connectors, I gotta splice it into so that the halo runs, acts as a daytime running light and the turn signal, and then it turns amber. Okay, so everything is wired in. So this green wire is the amber, which I made the turn signal. And then what I wired it to is this 3-prong connector, which also looks like this on the passenger side. So this is the connector for the turn signal, and it is the green wire on this one that is the turn signal. Red and black are something else, I don't know. And then for the white halo around, it is the red wire on the headlight, and then I connected it to the red wire that is connected to the daytime running light for the where this one is right here. So usually there's a turn signal bulb and a daytime running light. So I turn the daytime running light into this light right here, and then the turn signal into also this light, but it's the amber one. So I'm just gonna show you that really quick. So first, this is just the daytime running light. The battery is not plugged in. So battery's plugged in. Get the daytime running light. So if you can see on that side, that's my other daytime running light. So that's how I figured out the wire for that one. And then this is this daytime running light. And then I'll just put on the signal. I need to put in the ignition, or I just put on the hazards. So when you do the turn signal, this is what it looks like. That looks pretty sick. So yeah, just gonna do the exact same thing on that side, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when they're both done. So we finally got this one in as well. Funny story is that I have no headlight plug on this side, so I had to give the one that they gave in the box on Amazon, and it plugged right in, and then I just spliced it into the wiring harness because whoever owned this car just took out the wiring for the headlight plug for some reason. But this side's in as well. Driver's side and passenger's side is in. Bit of custom wiring, so cleaned it all up with a bit of electrical tape. Other than that, I double checked everything, it worked, and then I just flipped the headlights up and down just to make sure they work. But I will show you guys real quick that everything is working. So I'm just gonna turn on all the lights. So as you can see, top three are low beam, bottom one's high beam, and then the halo and the amber is just flicking because of the hazards, but it also works as signals. Same thing with this one. Three tops are low beam, one bottom is high beam, and then amber and just white. For white is daytime running light, and then amber is for turn signals. But all of that is all good, so I'm gonna put all the housings back on, and then we will wrap up this video, and I will show you guys what it looks like at nighttime and possibly adjust the headlights so that they're even and they're not too high or not too low. So we will continue, or actually I'm just gonna put everything back together and then I'll show you what they look like at night. So guys, this is how it looks in the dark. So that is it right there. It pretty much looks the same as what it looks like in the morning, except all you see is the light. And visibility with it is pretty good, like it lights it up. I still need to level it out. As you can see, the passenger side's a bit higher than the driver's side. But what I have noticed with driving it is that it fans really far out to the left and the right, which I don't really mind. I kind of enjoy it because it allows for more visibility. But other than that, everything is looking good headlight wise. We have a whole bunch of stuff to do, and as you can see, this is a whole new setup as we are in the new house now. So that will be pretty much it. Let's get you guys set up. So yeah, that'll be pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in Miata content, definitely be sure to keep up with the videos. Same with me, I need to make sure to keep up with the videos too, because I'm recording and then taking a bit to edit and then upload them. But I do have a lot of things planned for this car, and I just spent the entire weekend working on this car. So be sure to watch out for that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully that helped a bit to show you how to install the lights. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, be sure to leave a like and let me know what you guys are thinking of the videos. So I will see you guys in the next video.